Good afternoon. This is CRS PAST QUESTION year 2019. Question number 25 says the death of Josiah occurred it he dash rather A. Crossed Jordan to Azor, B. Fought Pharaoh Necho at Megiddo, C. Fought the Babylonia at all, D. Took his reform to the north. The correct option here is option B. Fought Pharaoh Necho at Megiddo. This this happened when he went into war with Pharaoh. So the town at the town called Medi Medi that's where he met his Waterloo during the combat with Pharaoh, and we find this in 2 Kings chapter 23 verse 30. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure you subscribe for more of our videos.